It's time to pack up my entire life. Hey friends, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. I talk mostly about sustainability here, but I'm also going to be talking about moving to France. And today we're going to be packing up my entire life because my family is moving while I'm abroad. So literally everything I own needs to come with me except for a couple, boxes of like memories and stuff. So I decided to bring 2 suitcases, one checked, one I'm shipping, my carry-on bag, and my personal bag. So I think I'm going to start by going through everything and putting it into the categories of my check luggage and my carry-on and my personal bags. Cue the Lord time lapse. This is the bag that I'm bringing. It is from State, which is a brand that gives back. It's pretty cool, but I got it at Goodwill for $7, and it's really nice because it has tons of pockets, and I think it's just a perfect little day pack. I have my sleep mask, Kindle, the book I'm currently reading, the Kindle I got on eBay secondhand, and the book is thrifted, some earplugs. This contains all of my important documents so they know that I am entering the country, the intent to work, time of COVID supplies, got some food, some nice little vegan snacks right here, trying to get something somewhat healthy. My utensil pouch that I made just has a spoon and a fork in there. My power bank, because I'm always running out of that phone battery. Journal. This is like a travel medicine kit and some band-aids. My masks, which I'll also be wearing a cloth one, but just thought it'd be nice to have a K95. Some gum for the plane, my glasses, and then finally, my favorite purchase lately are these Bluetooth headphones that I got off secondhand on eBay. Next, let's get into my carry-on bag. Is this Osprey 40-liter bag, and I again got it on eBay. It was new with tags, so I saved about 30 bucks by buying it new with tag used on eBay. Hey, 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 hey. Arrondissement, staying at a little hotel before I catch my train in about 3.5 hours. This has been a pretty turbulent, to say the least, travel experience so far. In everyday life, I have general anxiety. I take medication for it and I have it pretty under control, but especially when I'm going to new places or there's a lot of change happening, my body just says, no, we're good, we don't want that. So I get really nauseous and I like shake like a little chihuahua, and it's truly just not fun. And I know this about myself, so I knew that this was probably going to happen, but it's just this helpless feeling being in a new country. I was getting really frustrated with myself because I'm like, I need to adjust the time zone. Like, I can't go to sleep right now, but I didn't sleep on the plane at all because we had really, really bad turbulence over Canada, and so my 11-hour flight, I slept I think 1 hour. It can be really romanticized, like moving to another country, but it's quite a stressful experience. And knowing yourself and your limits is really important, and just being really kind with yourself and not expecting to, if you're feeling like, oh shit, I've made a mistake, which during the turbulence and there were people screaming on the plane, I was like, oh my god, why am I doing this? Why am I uprooting my entire life to move to a country where I speak passable language? Next time we chat, I'll probably be in my new apartment. it's a disaster. All of my stuff is everywhere because I've just been watching Netflix and have zero motivation to unpack. We can do two things at once. So I'm gonna continue watching and I'm gonna attempt to unpack. Usually this would bring me so much joy. I just am still feeling not great. So I was going to share everything that I packed while I put it away, but not feeling up to it. And just want to be honest about that. If you have any questions about what I brought, just let me know in the comments. I am alive. Finally, I am able to keep some food down and I feel so much better. I just met someone from the program that I'm in. We did a little walk around town and it was nice to, not gonna lie, speak English. I just wanted to share some of the things that I've bought so far. I've been trying to make an effort to buy things as sustainable as possible, but obviously I'm in a new country and a little overwhelmed, so probably, definitely, 100% have gotten greenwashed. So let's go through some of the things I've bought so far. I have bought this, which is just a regular cleaning supplies, and it's saying that it's green, so I just went ahead and trusted it. Man, we really got some chimes going on. And then I got this little scrubbing thing that is bio-based. It has zero plastic in it, and I think it looks pretty cool. I also got this Meyer's Clean Day liquid dish soap, which is obviously an American brand, so I was familiar with it. For food, I got these little vegan coconut yogurts that are passable. Some organic tea and some organic little chickpeas. The last thing I got yesterday was this little linen dish towel.
Old house, we say goodbye. Moving out, lullaby. Landlord said you would sell. We say fare thee well. Say goodbye. It's just a little moving out lullaby. Landlord said you would definitely sell. So we say fare thee well.
So I have my first thrift haul, probably of many, to show today. I went with the intention of getting some kitchen supplies, maybe some organization things for my apartment, and I stuck mostly to plan. So the first thing that I got that was not to plan was this little dress. It was €3. Next, I got these cute little drinking glasses, and these were €1.50 each. Then I got this pot, which is like brand new, made in France. It was €12, which is a little more pricey, but from the quality of it, I think it was a good deal. And finally, I got something to eat out of instead of using my mug that I brought. So I got two little just IKEA bowls slash they could be used as a plate in a pinch. So I didn't find any plates that I like, or any like nice soup bowls, but I'm definitely on the lookout for that. I just got back from my first real grocery run, and I had a list of what exactly I was going to buy, make it super easy for me, but I left my phone in my apartment. So I kind of guessed on the things that I thought I was gonna get. I think I got pretty close. Tried to get as much organic or less packaging if possible, but you tell me how I did. So I got some brie, and this comes with plastic packaging, but then the little paper thing, it says to recycle. These tomatoes in a nice little cardboard box that I can recycle. Got some soy milk. So I didn't bring my little produce bags because I didn't know if we were allowed to use them, but I will ask next time. But for now, these ones are compostable, so at least that's a little better. I got some ginger, onions, limes, which I had to click the exotic button to get those, salt, hummus, and I can recycle this container, and pepper in a glass jar. In bag number 2, some grainy bread, which obviously you can't recycle this, but I'll probably reuse the container to line a trash bag or something. Farfalle, raspberries, and this container I'll recycle as well. Rice, and this is fair trade, so but why not? Gnocchi, because I wanted to buy something that was already ready in case I don't want to cook. Some more coconut milk yogurt. This one is lemon. Maybe I'll like it a little bit more than the plain coconut one. And last but not least, I got some olive oil. I spent €34.87. Although it hasn't been such an easy go of it to get started up in France, I'm really, really happy that I'm here, and I can't wait to share my adventures with you all. Thank you, friends, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.